What is worship? What is it? If you ask the average person walking down the street, they would likely say one of two things. Number one, worship is boring. I don't really do worship. Or number two, worship makes me feel good. Maybe the lights and the show and a little bit of Jesus mixed in. It's kind of fun. But what really is worship? As worship leaders, we need to be the first to know and to show what true meaningful worship is. How do we truly worship? And as worship leaders, how do we take that leap from personal worship to drawing an entire congregation into worship of our great and magnificent God? Hi, my name is Ben Mitchell with Heart of Worship Coaching. I want to invite you to a worship leaders workshop. Join us at Plaza Church of Christ in Sumter, South Carolina on Saturday, September 16th. You'll come away from this value-packed workshop with skills you'll be able to apply right away. You'll leave being able to select meaningful worship songs and craft a complete worship service that will inspire the congregation to heartfelt, authentic worship. You'll become more confident in worship leadership tools like pitching and conducting songs and in shaping the energy level of the worship service. You'll learn techniques to strengthen your voice, and I'll share with you a little known trick for using a drinking straw. Yes, this little 2-penny drinking straw to warm up your voice before you sing. But here's what really matters. This workshop isn't just about mastering tools. This workshop will challenge you to greater transformation in your personal worship of God. And here's the truth. We can't effectively lead people in public worship if we don't truly worship in our private lives. My friends, don't miss out on this opportunity for inspiration, transformation for growth. Mark your calendars, Saturday, September 16th at the Plaza Church of Christ. Check out the registration page for all the details. I'll see you there.